So what is up, guys? Bakersfield this morning at my first job. Big job today. Out here in Grand Lakes area. They got a house for sale, another client of mine. So nice house, getting all ready. So there we go. See the band in the background. But we get all these cleans. We got a couple areas here. Not too bad. Travertine floor upstairs, I think it's going to be the longest issue. Well, maybe not. We'll see how it goes. But carpet down here. Couple little pink stains. Not sure if they're going to show up or not in the camera. Those need to be done. So just the carpet around here. I'm going to do the tile in this area as well as the shower pan. So I'm going to clean that as well down there, the tile and the shower pan. So normal tile around here. The carpets here. And I think this is all that's downstairs. Everything else is upstairs. We got the stairs, you can see a lot of debris, dust, so get that all cleaned up. And not too bad though, carpet's not in bad shape. It's just had a lot of construction work on it recently. So we got a bedroom here, nice bedroom. Again, just a little debris. We got laundry room, do the tile there. Another bedroom here, just cleaning around everything. Got the bathroom here that we're gonna do. And another bedroom here. So we got 3 bedrooms. 4 bedrooms here. Got the master. Got a couple of little items. And do the travertine here as well. So you can see the difference between that to that little grout line. So I'm going to use the CRB to pre-agitate this, and a light clean, we're going to use a grout master. So nice little job here. We'll definitely be using the CRB to pick up a lot of the debris that's on the carpet and vacuum and get that up. But yeah, so I'm going to get all the hoses set up. I'm going to start on the travertine first. Look at that. I'm sure before it showed up on video and you saw as I was cleaning. And look at that. Nice natural shine back on it. Came out very, very good. Happy with that. Good results. Alright, doing a final walkthrough. Make sure I haven't forgotten anything. Let's see here. Everything is looking good, that's for sure. All came up. Yep. Looks good. Got all that paint up that was here. It's gotten dark outside and there's no light in the hallway. Got a cloud cover coming in. Look at that shiny, shiny floor. Cleaned all that. Oh, and cleaned all that. Nice shine. Clean. Everything's looking good. Smells fresh in here. Not so dusty. Really dusty earlier. And let's come back. Oh, travertine came out real good. I like that. Came out great. She was just going to have the cleaners do it, but I'm glad I convinced her to let me go ahead and do it because it came out really good. It could use a polishing though. It's old. There's some dull areas, so polishing would look really well, but let the next owners decide on that if they want to do it. So that's it. I'm all finished up. About to give the client a heads up that I'm done. Should be on our way here shortly. And I do one final backtrack out. So this, this ring came out really good. This is the one that had it was just beat up. A lot of traffic. This room got used, that's for sure. So came up really well. It's good carpet. And let me grab this. Kind of mop my way out just in case. Any footprints. Get the corner guards. Get everything. Don't want to forget everything. Because I actually just regrouted the down here on this travertine floor, so it looks nice and bright and white. Looks good whoever did it. Just want to get any kind of dirt off. Make it look like I was never here, except for the clean carpet and clean floor. Alright, that is it. Off to my next couple jobs, and yeah, call it for a Friday because it's starting to rain out there right now. Actually, the sky's all cloudy. So, alright, wrap up, and yep, see you in the next one.